The rainy season can be joyful to bike ride, but maintaining the bike is the most difficult of all things. Here are some bike maintenance tips. 1. Use bike cover or keep your bike in a closed area. Protect it from rain and run the engine every morning to keep it in good condition. 2. Apply anti-rust or lubricants to hinges and levers to prevent rust. Check before ride. 3. Check your brake pads. Ensure they are in optimal condition to avoid skidding. Change them if needed before monsoon arrives. 5. Change tires if needed. Never ride in rain with worn tires. Worn treads increase skidding risk. Replace worn tires immediately. 6. Keep the chain clean and lubricated. Frequent cleaning ensures smooth rides and lubrication prevents rusting. 7. Check your air filter. Monsoon moisture can clog your air filter. Ensure smooth engine performance by replacing it if needed. 8. Apply a coating. Teflon or ceramic coatings ensure rainwater never touches your bike. They repel water and prevent rust damage. 9. Get a clear visor helmet. Avoid dark or tinted glasses in rain. Keep your visor clean for visibility. 10. Get complete servicing. Service your bike before the rainy season to avoid breakdowns. Ensure tires are inflated and lights, levers, and safety systems work. And last, stay fully insured. Revisit and renew your bike's insurance on time. Monsoon increases the risk of accidents and calamities. Stay fully covered. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.